Hi, good morning. This is Divya. In previous from SNS College of Technology, in previous video we have discussed about how to interface LCD with Arduino board under the unit actuators and IoT networking devices. Now we are going to see interfacing GSM modem with Arduino board. How to interface GSM modem with Arduino board. Interfacing Arduino board Interfacing Arduino with GSM module gives users access to send and receive data through text messages, making many projects carryable remotely over cellular network virtually anywhere in the world. Interfacing GSM module to Arduino has never been easy before, giving anyone needing advanced communication capabilities limitless opportunities beyond their imagination. GSM model used to connect devices like Arduino to the mobile network, similar to how the smartphone does. This allows devices to access features such as SMS and mobile network through GPRS. Now we are going to see how the interfacing GSM with Arduino board. GSM, which stands for Global System for Mobile Communication, is a digital mobile telephony system that was initially introduced as second generation standard. It revolutionized the world of mobile communication by providing a standardized platform for voice calls, SMS, and later data services like GPRS and Edge enhanced data rate for GSM evaluation. What Next, we are going to see features of GSM. The digital transmission. It has a frequency reuse, roaming and interoperability, security, and modular architecture. These are the components required to interface GSM with Arduino. First one is an Arduino board and GSM modem. In that, we have a SIM card slot and connecting wires and breadboard. This is the GSM modem. We have an antenna and we have to connect cable RS-232 cable. We have a transmitter pin and receiver pin and SIM module, SIM slot we are having in GSM module. And we have a power button, power LED and a network LED we are having. We are having a slim slot in which we have insert a SIM card so that we can transmit data and receive data through mobile through a network. Interfacing steps are hardware connections. Connect the GSM modem and a ground pin to the Arduino 5 volt and ground pin respectively. It is a serial communication. You have to establish a serial communication link between GSM modem and Arduino and connect the GSM modem transmitter pin of a GSM modem to Arduino pin of receiver pin of Arduino, and the GSM modems of receiver pin are connected to the Arduino of transmitter pin. Software setup, we have to communicate through serial communication. We are using an Arduino software and serial library to create a software based serial port for communicating with GSM modem, as most Arduino boards have only one hardware serial port. We have to set an AT command. A GSM modem is controlled using AT commands, which are simpler instructions sent over the serial interface to perform various tasks like sending SMS, making calls, and more. Next one is an Arduino code. We have to write an Arduino code to send AT commands to the GSM modem for various tasks. For example, to send an SMS, you will send AT commands to set the SMS mode, recipient number, and the message content. This is the program for the interfacing GSM with Arduino. Here we have to start with 9600 baud rate. We have to initialize the communication with GSM modem, and we have to set as AT command as we have to send SMS. Then we have to print AT command to send SMS in text mode. Then AT command to change the destinations of phone number. We have to set the phone number for destination, and we have to print some text in that, so that we have to transmit data to that particular number. This is the program for interfacing GSM with Arduino board. This is the circuit diagram. Here we have connected the Arduino board of transmitter pin connected to the receiver pin of GSM mode and a GSM module, and a receiver pin of Arduino board is connected to the transmitter pin of GSM modem, so that if Arduino transmit data, so GSM have to receive the data. At the same time, if GSM sends the data, the Arduino of receiver pin collect the data. So we have to connect the transmitter pin and receiver pin in a correct format. Thank you.